Beyond its tantalizing flavors, Thai cuisine is celebrated for its health-promoting properties. Many traditional Thai ingredients such as turmeric, ginger, garlic, and coconut milk boast potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that support overall health and well-being. Additionally, Thai cooking techniques such as stir-frying and steaming help to preserve the nutritional integrity of ingredients while minimizing the use of added fats and oils. As a result, Thai dishes are not only delicious but also wholesome and nourishing, making them an ideal choice for those seeking to embrace a healthy lifestyle. Now let's take a closer look at the culinary delights of Thai cooking with a traditional recipe that embodies the essence of Thai cuisine. Samtam, green papaya salad. Samtam can be made as hot and spicy as you like. For Falang or foreigners, you would be very brave to ask for your samtam with 2 chillies in it. My grandmother and her friends in the village would typically have it with 10 whole chillies per person. The tears literally roll down their cheeks, but they all still enjoy their samtam through the pain. Samtam has many different versions. In fact, each household will have its own variation. Here's a typical version from my own village in Isan, northeast Thailand. Simply click the Book Now button below or call us on 01475 600 868 to arrange an appointment for yourself.